Hi, so today we're going to build our massive story rocket that can fly up into the sky. So first you put a block in the center and then you space 3 blocks out. You space this on one, then you break the one in the middle. You get your slime blocks, which they call them, and then we put them around, and then we put piston on top of this observer, and then we put slime around the piston, and then we do this. It becomes a rocket when we put down these observers on the top, facing down. Always remember that it has to face down. It's because everyone does face down, right? Everyone, when it builds a rocket like this one, it has to face down. And then on each side you put down pistons on the bottom. And for the final step, you could push a block underneath, and the rocket lifts off. There it is, the end of our video. Bye. I'll see you later. Give it a thumbs up if you like it.